Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vasu and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the MagSafe and the 20W USB-C chargers. I also uploaded an iPhone 12 Pro unboxing earlier and we'll also be uploading an iPhone 12 unboxing. I'll link those in the description box below, so be sure to check those out as well. Okay, so let's get into the 20W USB-C charger unboxing first. So this should be pretty straightforward. It's really nothing extraordinary, just that it's not included in the iPhone box anymore. It's weird that they include paperwork in this box as well. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the MagSafe unboxing. Again, this as well is pretty straightforward, nothing really out of the world. It's basically just a MagSafe charger with a non-detachable USB-C cable. That's it for the unboxing guys, thanks for watching and peace out.